Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable or disable cache and cache expiration time using wp-config file in file manager for WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel and then you see files and then you see file manager. So click on it. So we are in file manager and then you see website folder. So you can open your website folder. Mostly website exists in public HTML folder. So we have a lot of website. So you can open your website folder. So click on it and then find here wp-config.php file. So this is our file wp-config.php. Right click on it and then click on edit. So click on it. So our wp-config.php file open. First we are going to add code for enable cache and expiration time. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see define wp cache true, enable the cache, this is our command, and then you see define enable cache true and then you see define cache expiration time 3600 in second. So you can add time according to requirement and then click on save changes. Now saving wp-config.php file and then you see success message. And then we are going to add code to disable cache. Now remove this and then paste code. Then you see define wp cache false, define disable cache true. So you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So click on save changes. Now saving wp-config.php file and then you see success message. So it's up to you. If you want, you can enable or disable cache and expiration time using wp-config.php file in file manager in cPanel. And you will find all code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.